Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Chackbay local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance shift always seems difficult to complete, but only when you do everything alone. However, if you hire us, our immense experience in handling long distance and provide high-quality services to our clients. Movers usually require legal permits and licenses to cross state or country lines and complete the shift to complete a long-distance shift, and we have them all. We share good relations with the local federal association and are among the oldest moving firms. We already have legal permits to conduct a long-distance or international shift without further legalities. Plus, we provide insurance on products that have been transported through us, meaning, in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges. Whether you are moving locally, you should always hire a professional mover like 3 Movers, as we provide same-day shifting for local moves and cater to all the requirements made during your transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chackbay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form